Established in 1964 in Rochester, New York, Sydor Optics has been providing optics to the world for the past 55 years. As Sydor Optics continues to hone our innovative approach to precision flat optics, we're expanding processing capabilities to even more materials, including silicon, germanium, zinc selenide, zinc sulfide, and sapphire. At Sydor Optics, quality begins when first engaging with the customer. We'll get to know the customer's requirements to ensure we deliver an optic that meets their exacting specifications. Our engineering, manufacturing, and quality teams collaborate with our sales engineers to ensure we can meet our customers' needs and work within their budget. As the raw material is received from our qualified suppliers, it's inspected and scheduled for processing in our 40,000 square foot facility. Sydor utilizes 55 precision state-of-the-art double-sided grinding and polishing machines, boasting the largest collection in North America. Depending on the processing requirements and the size of the optic, we utilize processing methodologies to maximize efficiency and provide the optimal run size for each job. Sydor also has a large selection of CNC machines that enable us to hold tight tolerances on corners, radii, and lightweighting of optics, and to fabricate unique shapes and sizes. Once the optics have been polished and shaped, we utilize our Zygo 3.39 micron infrared interferometer to test the transmitted wavefront. This interferometer is capable of measuring IR optics up to 14 inches in diameter. Equipped with the newest MetroPro software, the interferograms will provide the specific and quantifiable data that our customers require. If you require dimensional or surface quality testing, we utilize contact and non-contact measuring equipment to measure dimensions and scratch dig and provide printed data on all features of the optical components. After the optical components are measured and pass quality assurance, they are processed through an 8-station ultrasonic cleaning line in our Class 10,000 clean room, where parts are cleaned, bagged, and tagged, and prepared for next steps at our customer site. If a cleaner environment is required for your components, Sydor Optics utilizes a Class 1000 clean room for parts packaging. With a 99.86% RMA, Sydor Optics boasts 5 Sigma outgoing quality to our customers for precision optics in the visible and infrared. At Sydor Optics, we're proud of our customer focus as we continually work to delight our customers with the best quality flat optics possible. At Sydor Optics, we go beyond the optics as a full-service provider to our customers.